Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I am so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to make Dictionary Snowflake Tags. But first, a shout out to SG, Jenny, Jane, Heather, Alice, June, and Sarah. I appreciate each and every one of you. Okay, you guys, I've got my dictionary page. I have a piece of cardstock and I have a piece of coffee dyed paper. So what I want to do is I want to make me a little sandwich. So I'm going to put all these together like this with my glue stick, and then we will cut our tags. All right, you guys, I have my little sandwich made and it's nice and firm, and we're ready to make some tags. Now, let's see. Let me grab my little tiny guillotine here. And let us chop us some tags here. I think maybe one just like this. I'm going to trim this off here. All right. I think that's pretty straight. Now what I'd like to do is I'd like to go ahead and take the corners off. So let's do that. Snip that side, turn it over, and snip this side. All right, we're moving right along. Now we need to go ahead and ink it up, whichever ink color that you are using or that you like. And I should have cut my corners before I inked, but it's okay because I'm just going to round off the corners down here at the bottom. Alrighty, so now almost there. Okay, now we look like that. Okay, so the next thing I'd like to do is go ahead and put my hole in it. So I just have my punch. It's the traditional size here. There we go. And I'm just going to put my hole right in there in the middle. And I actually think I want to just kind of smoosh it like that. Alrighty. Now what I think I'd like to do is get a piece of, no, that's not what I want now. I want to go ahead and paint. So I made some earlier, and this is gold shimmer paint. And all I did was I took a piece of cardstock, and the shimmer paint is the metallic right here. And they're very inexpensive at the craft store. This one is a pink. I thought this might be real pretty. And we're going to just get your paintbrush, and you're just going to paint your cardstock. So you're going to choose a color that maybe will go with your journal, or that you like, or that you have. You know, however you decide what color you use, you can actually not paint it and just use a white cardstock if you want it to be like that. So I'm just going to paint this on just like that. I'm going to clean up, and then we'll be back to finish these off. They are so pretty. All right, you guys, so I got in my scrap bin, and I have some very pretty lace, and I am going to take it to my machine. Now, if you don't have a machine, that's fine. You could just take your fabric tech and glue it down here and glue it down here. Or if you want it to go this way, you could glue it this way, however you prefer. I am going to make my lace go across this way, and then I'll show you. Okay, you guys, so I've sewn my lace on, and I am going to put a little bit of pink ribbon on the top because I am going to punch my snowflakes out of a pink painted paper. Now I'm actually going to go and stitch this real quick right across here. Okay, now it looks like this. All right, so we've got our paper here, and I have my punches that are snowflakes, and I did dry my paper while I was cleaning up, and I'm just going to punch out a few of these pink snowflakes. I think I'm going to put 5, I think. Okay, so I've got them. Now I'm going to get my glue, And I have some of the gold ones right here. You can see those. But I think I'd like to use pink. And I'm just going to put some glue down, quite a bit of glue on here, because I really want it to stick. I want it to stay where I want it. And I'm just adding these snowflakes onto here, just randomly, wherever you think they would be pretty. And then to finish this off, I'm going to hold this up so you can see it. Isn't it looking pretty? They're iridescent. Look at that. They shimmer. Ooh, they shimmer. Now I'm going to add a little bit of glue in the center of each snowflake. And I am going to get my bling here. They're these silver little rhinestones. And I'm going to take them off with my pen. And I'm going to place them in the middle of each snowflake, just like that. Sorry about that, guys. They hear my husband outside. Okay. You guys, if you are enjoying my videos, I would really like you to subscribe and to give the video a thumbs up. Sorry about the dogs. Yep, the dogs are part of my video. More than not, they are. Okay, you guys. Look how beautiful this is looking. Oh my goodness, I have some more to show you. I have this one, this little one. Oh my goodness, and I have this one. I have white and gold. And I have this one with the pink lace. And I have this one right here. Oh, you guys, I absolutely love making these. And if you love them too, I hope to see you in my next video. I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.